Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your BookBeat app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the app on your device and you have already created an account. If you haven't done that already, then you can go through our other tutorials. We've also posted tutorials on how to install the app and how to create an account on the app. Now let's get straight to the point. First of all, open the BookBeat app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen. Now on this page you can see the login option with the pink background. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now all you have to do is enter your credentials, enter your email address and then your password. Type your email address on this space and then your password on this box. After you're done, simply tap on the login option. Wait for it to load. You can save your password if you want to. And as you can see, we've successfully logged into our account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.